If you recently became a US citizen or a citizen of another country and you previously held an Indian passport, this video is for you. Today I'm going to explain what is a surrender certificate, why it is mandatory, and how to correctly fill out the surrender certificate application form. Let's get started. What is a surrender certificate? The Government of India does not allow dual citizenship. This means your Indian passport is no longer valid from the date you become a foreign citizen. A surrender certificate is an official document issued after you formally surrender your Indian passport. It proves that you have renounced Indian citizenship. Your Indian passport has been cancelled. You are now a foreign citizen. You will need this certificate for applying for OCI, Indian visa applications, or any future Indian consular services. What does a surrender certificate look like? It usually includes your name, old Indian passport number that you surrendered, date of issue, file reference number, official seal and signature. You will also receive your cancelled Indian passport back with a cancellation stamp. Do not use your Indian passport after becoming a foreign citizen. It can lead to severe penalties. You must surrender your Indian passport within 3 months of acquiring a foreign citizenship. Let's walk through the certificate that you need to fill out to surrender your passport. Go to the VFS website and click on Surrender of Indian Passport. Click on Surrender of Indian Passport Fees and Documents Required. Scroll down and click on the Surrender Certificate. Download the form to your computer and open it in a PDF reader, such as Adobe Acrobat. You can also fill out the form directly in your web browser. At the top corner, type your government reference number from the online application you completed on the Government Passport Seva portal. Next, write your full name and your place and country of birth. VFS follows the DD YYYY date format. If you cannot change the date format, leave the date text box blank and fill it in with a black pen after printing the certificate. Next, select your marital status. Then write the date when you became a citizen of a foreign country and enter your foreign passport number and the date of issue of that passport. Enter the Indian passport number that you are surrendering, along with the date and place of issue of the passport. You may notice that the text boxes are slightly misplaced. For the place of issue, write the city and the country. Do not include any previous expired or cancelled Indian passport numbers. Only write the number of the last Indian passport you held, even if that passport has expired. Next, enter your father's full name and your date of birth as the applicant. If you have minor children who are still citizens of India or were citizens of India in the past, enter their name, date of birth, place of birth, foreign passport number, and the date and place of issue of their foreign passport. Next is the declaration section. Write your full name and the date you are signing the declaration. Write your full name again, your cell phone number, any alternate phone number, your email address and your physical address in the foreign country. Print out the surrender certificate and hand sign it, preferably in blue ink. If your full name, phone number, email or address does not fit in the box, enter as many characters as possible in the space provided, and then write the remaining characters by hand after printing the certificate. The next section will be completed by the consular officer, so do not write anything in the date and signature boxes. Most importantly, after receiving the surrender certificate, keep it safe. This certificate will be required if you need to apply for an OCI, Indian e-visa, or long-term visa. Once you receive your surrender certificate, check that your name, passport number, and all information are correct. If anything is incorrect, contact VFS immediately. Make sure your signature matches exactly as per your Indian passport signature, not your foreign passport. Similarly, write the name exactly as it appears on the Indian passport you are surrendering. If you have changed your name in the foreign passport, the surrender certificate will be issued with the name as per the Indian passport that you surrendered. For a minor, both parents must sign the form below the minor's signature. If the minor is under 5 years old, place the minor's thumbprint and both parents' signatures below. Before submitting, double-check the passport number, name, and other details. Any mismatch will result in a delay. And that's it. Once you submit this form, print and sign it, and send it to VFS along with your fee payment and other supporting documents. If this walkthrough helped you, please like and subscribe. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments.